Hot damn. This is Big Tim Adventure. We're looking for morels, and we found the hot 10 as usual. So, hot damn, we on the morels. And look at the view today, boys. Check it out. Yeah, buddy. Isn't it much prettier than that? Redbuds and morels. Look at the size of the trees out here. Hot diggity dog. Look at that. This is where we find them, boys. You're witnessing morel heaven. Hot damn. That found 10 and all of a sudden the rain came in. Big Tim style. So, I don't know. As it gets a little darker here, the rain's doing this thing. Maybe I'll find another one popped up somewhere. Big Tim style. One never knows. They're always hiding underneath this crap. Big Tim. Alright, well. That's what I'm talking about, Jimmy. This was the area. Hot diggity dog. Making it happen. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, Billy. Whoo. Look at the polyspores. Yeah, buddy. Polyspore heaven here. Look at these bad boys. You know when these are up, it's another elm, boys. Another elm. But these are, ooh, something munched on one of these. God damn. Pheasant backs. Big time pheasant backs. That's what I'm talking about, Billy. What a view. What a view. What a view. Oh man, how cool is this? Hey, Mr. Morel. Boy, just in time. Just finished off all the beautiful sunlight and the wood pecker before it's getting dark. And then we get the rain. Had to let it sit up a little bit. That's Big Tim Adventure. And there's the Redbuds. Yeah, buddy. Redbud heaven. Whoo. That's what I'm talking about. Look at the view out here, boys. Hot damn, we on the view. Well, this is Big Tim Adventure. The Redbuds behind me. If you like what you're watching, please subscribe. We broke our 5 dozen or 5-piece limit, and we got to 10. Big Tim style. Only one style. If you like what you're watching, please subscribe, and God bless you. Yeah! Going down for the pick, boys. I'm getting tired. Hot damn. Pull out the old back. Big Tim style. Yeah, buddy. Whew. Billy. I'm tired. Alright. What a backdrop. Another one. 4 is a charm. But I told myself, I don't really want to come back here. I don't find that many morels back here. But I'm finding them. But just keep picking away at it, yes. Hot damn, is it pretty back here. Yeah, buddy. Big Tim in action. Morels and their early pheasant backs. That's another indicator right there. Big Tim style. You know when they're up like that, there's morels somewhere. Hot damn, we on the pheasant back. And the morel, of course. Indicator. Indicator. There's the indicator. Pheasant backs. Find those first, usually you can see them. And then you'll find the morels. Big Tim style. Hot damn. Those are the indicators. And then everything else, redbuds are out, color, hot damn, dead wood. And then keep your fingers crossed, get lucky, because sometimes you only find one a day to keep the doctor away. Hot damn, we on the morel. Yeah. Hot damn, we're gonna get off my butt. Oh, whoa. Look out, Billy. Look at that. Oh, that one got a little frostbite. Hot damn, I might just leave that guy. Check it out, Jimmy. Making it happen, Big Tim style. A little bit of frostbite. Well, there's the curse of the 5, boys. Making it happen. Yeah. Check out the cabbage in here. Lord have mercy. I don't see any more. There's just not a lot. That's just not a year where you find thousands of them. Hot damn, we're gonna pick this one, boys. Hot diggity dog. Squish it. Pop it. There we go, boys. Ah, damn. There's not a baker's dozen, but it still smells pretty good. Hot damn, we on the Morels. I think that's probably it because everything's been like that. Look at the view. Look at the backdrop. Hot damn, we got a backdrop for Morels. One at a time, boys. The Redbuds are out. Yeah, buddy. Okay. If I'm one more, I'm going home. I'm whooped. Yeah. Okay, boys. Hot damn, Big Tim in action. Let's get to picking, boys. Hot diggity dog. Yeah, buddy. Here we go, boys. Hot damn. Got another one. Hot diggity dog. Yeah, buddy. Talk to me, Billy. Talk to me. Woo. There's the trail, boys. Blazing. Krakatoa. Whoa. Look out, Jimmy. Gotta get some redbud action. Yeah, boy. That's what I'm talking about. Indicator. Big Tim in action. Yeah, we found the Morels next to the redbud. Hot diggity dog. Yeah, Big Tim adventure time. Look out, Jimmy. Making it happen. If you like what you're watching, please subscribe. Morel Heaven. Yeah, I found them and I'm keeping them, baby. Yeah. Okay. Check that out. I rebuild Wood Pecker. Never see that again. Oh my God. I got one on video. It's a big one too. Pillated woodpecker. Hot damn. That's what I'm talking about, Jimmy. Check that out. You can see that every day. Whoa. It's gone now. Damn it. Where you at, buddy? Talk to me, Jimmy. Can't see him anymore. Where are all the Morels at? What a beautiful, beautiful backlit. Boy, if you like redbuds, redbud heaven. Hey, where's the woodpecker? Oh, the honkers are making noise. Holy moly, not the honkers. Anybody see anything else out here? Oh, look, there's the damage from one of them. I picked it earlier. Still got a little spore left. Hopefully she goes back. Look out, Jimmy! There's the deer trail. Where are the Morels at? God damn. What's going on there, Hyper? Holy crap. Where'd he go? Hello? He's somewhere in there. Squirrel. There's a nuts right here. He's probably pissed off. That's why he's making all the noise. Huh, damn, I'm on this nut patch. There he goes. Oh, look at him running. Holy moly. Whoop, he's in the tree now. Hello, squirrel. Where you at now, buddy? Oh, right there. I got his nut patch, I think. Whoa, easy. I'm not going to take your nuts. What's wrong with you, buddy? He's gone now. How's he at? Oh, nut patch, eh? He's up there somewhere. I can't find him. It's just a squirrel anyway, right? Oh, Mr. Squirrel. Who knows? Are there any more? I don't know. Could be more. I don't know. just trying to do. Ooh, look at the cabbage here, boys. Too bad these are not. Too bad these are old. Hot damn, where are the morels at? Wish it wouldn't have rained. I could stay out longer. But I want to get some YouTube video here. Check it out, Billy. Hot damn. A week earlier, those have been oysters. And oysters are amazing mushrooms. Hot diggity dog. Whoa, look out to me. Man, the oysters. Yeah, buddy. A lot more morel. Pounds of oysters. Pounds of them, boys. Yeah, buddy. Big pines. Big elms. Big everything. Big poppers. Making it happen Big Tim style. Whoa. Hot diggity dog. I'll be damned. Oh, I thought there'd be more in here. Big old elm tree right there. Yeah, buddy. Is there still one left? I don't know, but I'm not hanging out in the rain to find out. That's for damn sure. I like to hold in the thick stuff sometimes. Moss heaven, buddy. Hello, Morel. Where you at? Okay, Billy. Oh, damn. Well, some more footage. Here's the big. Whoa, look out! That was a close one, boys. Look out. There's the moss. Hot damn. Almost wiped it. It's slippery back here. Slick. Hot damn, man. Look out, Jimmy. That's a beauty too, man. Hot damn, it's in a. That looks a little old. I think I'm gonna leave it, yeah. It's no, it ain't that old. Hot damn. That's what I'm talking about, Billy. Alright. Hot damn. Pick it, boys. Hot diggity dog, making it happen. Billy. There we go. That should be the last one, boys. Stick back here. Hot damn, we had them around. Whew. I did my video right here. Yeah. The whole time, damn near stepping at it. This is where I did that last morel picture. Hot damn. That's weird. The whole time I was doing that video for that last one, that's where the morel was at. Big Tim style, making it happen. Yeah! That's where I was, right there. I don't know how I missed it. Wow. Probably a few more I missed down here. Hot diggity dog. Alright. Signing off. Big Tim Adventure. Have your own adventure. See ya. Hot damn it. Just found another morel. There's 4. We're going to get that lucky 5. I don't know. Whoop, crunch. Unbelievable, man. Look at this beauty. I didn't think I'd find any more. But I did. Alright, Big Tim action. There she is. Hot damn. Whoa. Yeah, buddy. There's another one. Hot damn. I'm not finding a lot this year, but I am finding them. Hot diggity dog. Whew. It's autofocus, that bad boy. Start getting lazy. Yeah, buddy, there you are. Yeah. Keep it a little more steady, eh? Yeah, buddy. Making it happen. Morel Mushroom. Hot damn. I don't see any more. It sure is thick down here, boys. That's for sure. Alright, I guess we'll go down for the pick, eh? Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Hot damn, we gotta be picking this one, boys. Yeah, another one. Bites the dust. Yeah, still smell pretty good. Got a little bit of dirtiness off. Dirty, dirty. Hot damn. Well, that's it, boys. Bring it. Big Tim style. Hot diggity dog. Whoa. Whoa, Tim. Whoa. Careful, buddy. There's a couple right there, boys. A deuce. Making it happen, Big Tim style. Alright. Well, this is Big Tim. And I think we're back on the Curse of Five. I sit down there and take a little break. Like to this big old poplar tree, what have you. And the Curse of the Five, that's what I've been finding. All day long I go out and I find 5 of them. But it's not much of a curse if you don't find any. If you're on an adventure, you're making a Big Tim adventure. I found another one. Hot damn, if you like, please subscribe. This is Big Tim. Hit like and subscribe. God bless you. We love having you on your channel. Well, let's look at the mushrooms, boys. Hot damn, I can't believe it. Check this out. Look at the bark, man. Curse of the 5. Oh, the laughing Yeti. Well, we'll try to zoom in that. You can't see it from here a bit. But here it is. I think it's not an apple tree, but look, maybe a pear or apple. Maybe that's why they're here. Curse of the 5. Check out the bark. Someone out there. There it is. It's coming in, boys. Come on. Oh. It's a little blurry. A little blurry. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, yeah, there we are. Okay. Yeah, buddy. Can't complain about that, can you? What's that? Cackleberry hound dog. There he is, Cackleberry. Hound dog! We're not rock hunting, we're morel hunting right now. Well, there's the Curse of the 5. Hopefully I break it and find 6. Hot damn, we on them. Big Tim style. Find the morels. Alright, let's do a close-up on that. And then we'll pick it, Billy. Hot damn, this is Big Tim again. You can see another elm tree off a big elm tree right here. Right, that's the big elm. Big elm. And a limb busted off. I'm sitting down. That's a big elm, not a dead one. There's a few elms around here, but the limb fell off this elm right here. You can see by the bark. There's some lovely moss down there. Check it out, Billy. That's the moss. I'm sitting on my butt, and there's some more indicator stuff. Beautiful moss. Beautiful moss. Beautiful. Yeah, buddy. Either way, there's some nice moss there. Yeah, buddy. Check out the moss. So, yeah, it's down here. Go, man. It's a nice. You see the bark on it. Goes all the way down here. And then, right here, boys. Check it out, Jimmy. Another morel. Yeah, buddy. Check that out, Billy. That's a beauty. It happened again, Big Tim style. On the morel. Now we broke the jinx. We got 6. I've never found more than 6 out here, I don't believe. So I never find any, but they're always sporadic. There's never a lot in that area, but you walk a long distance and get into some morels. Hot damn. Big Tim style. Making it happen. Hot damn, we're going down for the picking, boys. Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Squeeze it. Pick it up. Yeah. Big Tim in action. Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Guys are getting a little on the old side, eh? Hot damn. Yeah, a little on the old. Not too bad, I guess. Scoop that away. There we go. Oh no. Got a little bit of frostbite there. Well, we'll keep what we can, boys. Can't get picky when you don't find many. Hot damn. Yeah, the morel. damn it. Pick this one, boys. Hot diggity dog. Hot damn. We're going down to pick it, boys. Oh, come on. Check it out, Billy. Yeah, buddy, we got it. Man, I'm tired. I can't even bend over anymore. The one down there. Whew, all right. I'm sure there's a few more. I got it. All right, buddy. That's enough of that, eh? Hot damn on the Morels. Man, well, here come the honkers. Where they at? Hey, honker. Okay. Enough of that, eh? Whew, okay. Okay. Hot damn the honkers. And then I found another morel. Hot diggity dog. Big Tim style. Check this one out. Talk about hidden morel. Check that out, boys. You never find that down there. Look at that bad boy. It's another one. 10 morels, buddy. Made it happen. Probably gonna be the best day this year. I did it. Yeah, buddy. Big Tim in action. Oh, honker's coming back. Hello. Well, there definitely were some morels out here. They're just hidden real well. Big Tim style. Hot damn. Hot damn, we got them. Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Another morel. This one almost rotted a little bit, but it's alright. Sporing it out, buddy. Love spore. Hot damn. Alright, Billy. Whoa, making a lot of noise out there. Okay, well, we broke the chinks. Hot diggity dog. Hey, knobber. And morel. Could be the last one this season, boys. You never know. But we're not going to give up, because that's not what we do here on Big Tim Adventure. We make it happen, Big Tim style. Hot damn, we on the morels. Yeah. Hot damn, I found a couple more. I'm going to pick this one, but there's one down here. Hot diggity dog. That's 8. I gotta find it. Hot damn, where you at, buddy? Where you at? There's these. They're right here. Come on. Huh. Oh, there. Yeah! There. Hot diggity dog. That's a beauty right there. That'd be a nice little eater. Then there's one right in the shrubs here. Hot damn. Check it out. How did you see that? I don't know if I walked in this area. Probably a bunch of small ones in here, but someone will find that. If they come in here, they'll find that one. Right out in the open like that. So you gotta pick them, boys. Then there's another one. Right. No one will find this one. So we'll leave that and they're gonna pick it. Alright, I don't know where it's. Okay. Find that bark. So somewhere in there. Look at there. Oh, there it is, boys. Hot damn, Morel. Let me go down there. It's a baby. Hot diggity dog. Alright, there's 9. I found 9. I haven't found a baker's dozen, but I found 9. Hot diggity dog. Big Tim adventure. Alright, let's pick the one. Make it happen. Hot diggity dog. Pick this one right here. Oh, I'm tired. I'm gonna bust my back over this one. So, we'll get that bad boy. We got the Moke and David. There you go, boys. Oh, damn, that thing is pretty. Hot diggity dog. Making it happen. Big Tim style. Hot damn, I found another Morel, Big Tim style. Taking it easy and being peasy, but I remember moving this Redbud out of the way. I stepped right over this one, but there's probably a few more in it. It's so thick in here. It's hard to find them when it's super thick, but this is the last one tonight. I'm heading out, but I did find a few Morels. I've never found 7 in here. I think the most I've ever found. Well, they're little ones, maybe 6, 5, I don't know. But I'm finding them. Last one. Lucky 7. Hot damn. Check it out. Can you see it? Here's a Redbud I moved out of the way, and I did find a couple up there somewhere. It's right there. I mean, it should be right on the deer path. I mean, see the deer path walking through? You kind of see it. There it is, right there, right in the corner. There's the deer path. There's the agate knobber. Come down the deer path, and right by the slog I stepped over. It's a nice one too. Hot diggity dog. That's a beauty. Morel heaven, boys. Hot damn, we on the Morel. Well, that should be the last one, man. Not trying to find any more. Take what I can get. Hot damn. Billy! It's a nice Morel. Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about, Jimmy. Making it happen, Big Tim style. Black walnuts. Squirrels. Nuts. You like some nuts, boys? A lot of people like the nuts. Myself, I'm not a big nut fan.